Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm Frank and in this movie I will show you hyperspectral magic. It's especially meant for those of you who are not convinced that hyperspectral imaging is of the utmost importance to the exploration geologist. Let's go to the Rodoquilar caldera complex in the Cabo de Gata volcanic field in southeastern Spain, where we find the gold alunite deposit of Rodoquilar. Here we are standing in the upper left on the top of the remains of the processing plant of the gold mine that was active in the previous century. And we're looking east, towards the Mediterranean Sea. We're looking into this lovely river valley with in the distance some hills. The country is sparsely vegetated and the colors are greenish, reddish and grayish. In the upper right you can see a natural color composite of an airborne hyperspectral image that was draped over a digital elevation model. My colleague Harold van der Werf added a lovely blue sky to the image. Despite the different rock types in the area, they all look the same. See the main geological features in the lower left. The altered volcanic rocks, the sedimentary soils and the limestones are challenging to differentiate in this view. And where can we see the gold mineralization outcropping? That's precisely where the hyperspectral magic comes in. See the lower right. Here I show you infrared bands of the airborne hyperspectral image. And what you see now is an abundance of colors, all reflecting different minerals, many of which are related to the formation of the mineralization. So let's enlarge the hyperspectral image. Here we can see all these greenish and grayish colors again in a natural color composite. But when we put our infrared goggles on and view in infrared hyperspectral mode, we can see where the mineralization is potentially located. The eye is immediately attracted to the areas that are intensely altered. Here, below the limestone cap. These reddish and yellowish colors are caused by hydrothermal alteration minerals that are associated with gold mineralization.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Okay. So we can also see the stream that carries processed mine materials towards the floodplain. Here in the color pink. We can see these minerals very clearly, since the area is normally dry and hot in summer and experiences mild winters. Alright, now I get it. So perhaps you are now convinced of the magic of hyperspectral. In any way, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Cheers!